the Cloud Gateway Fiber. A high-quality ether lighting patch cable, shielded and sleek. A 54-volt power adapter with a C5 cable. A set of rubber feet for desk placement. 4 by 2.5 gigabit PS Ethernet ports. 2 by 10 gigabits PS and WAN options. 1x RJ45 and 1x SFP plus SF. 1 by 10 gigabit PS LAN SFP plus S. NVMe SSD slot. ARM Cortex-A73 quad-core processor at 2.2 GHz, 3 GB RAM. With IPS/IDS security features enabled. Supports 50+ UniFi devices and up to 500+ active clients. Compatible with the full UniFi OS stack, network, protect, talk, access, and connect.